Sam here from Lean Greens, and today's Upgrade Your Nutrition challenge is going to be super quick because my phone's going to die. So today we did make your own ice cream. Great in theory, quite difficult to achieve. So this is the better way to do it. I'll show you the one that works first. So these are treats that I actually made for my dogs in the summer, but I decided they are just as good for me. So I used little lolly molds, and all that is in here, if I can actually open this up, this is basically Greek yogurt blended with strawberries and blueberries, and that's all. And it's really quite yummy. I'm not gonna, oh, there we go. No extra sweetness, nothing in there. Delicious. Now, I then thought, I wonder whether instead of Greek yogurt I could use coconut cream as a base. So I tried making this, which is basically, it's just 2 tins of coconut cream and a tin of pineapple with the juice as well. And as you can see, there's a slight problem with the ice cream in that I left this out the other night. You can see I did manage to eat some from around the edge. I left it out the other night for about an hour, and after about an hour it softened up enough that I could actually get some of it. So I'm going to persevere with this one as a recipe, but I think the way to do it is to use molds or individual containers, because putting it in it. So what I did was I did it like a proper ice cream. So I blended the cream and the pineapple, and then I put it in the freezer, and then every half an hour I took it out and whisked it up again to get it nice and smooth. So it's super smooth in there, just can't get it out.
Too much water content.
Yeah, ice cream's not supposed to make that sound. So anyway, but these are delicious.
What's in them again?
Greek yogurt, strawberries, blueberries. Try any combination. Try Greek yogurt and pineapple, or Greek yogurt and peaches, or Greek yogurt and anything really. Super duper Greek yogurt from the Co-op. Let us know what your favourite lolly combination is. Hashtag upgrade your nutrition.